Hello, my students, and welcome back to Speak English Now. Today, I'm going to bring you 18 sentences for daily conversational use. When we have a conversation, we often use the same sentences again and again, and it's not pleasant. So I've got some alternatives for you, some new smart sentences that you may not have heard before, but they're definitely one that we use a lot in all around the world. Use those phrases instead of typical daily phrases that we all heard and say repeatedly. Okay, let's get started with the lesson. First, let's discuss phrases you can use when we meet someone we either know or don't know. Okay, look at the first phrase. Nice to bump into you. We use this phrase when we meet somebody unexpectedly and we haven't seen in a long time. We see somebody by chance and we are glad to see them. Look at these examples. I can't believe I bumped into my old friend here in Paris. Or, it was so nice to bump into you at the party last night. Number 2, long time no see. When you haven't seen somebody over a long time, you can say, long time no see. Hey, long time no see. What are you doing these days? Number 3, how is everything going? How's it going? When we meet somebody and we want to ask them about their work, their life, we can just say, how is everything going? How's it going? Instead of saying, what's up, you can say these. Number 4, can't complain. When somebody's asks you, what have you been up to? Or how are you doing these days? You can just say, can't complain, everything's going well. Number 5, where were we? Where were we? Right. When you are talking to your friend and suddenly forget what were you talking about, you can just say, where were we? Or when somebody is talking to you but his or her phone rings and he answers it after call ends, you can just say, okay, you were saying. Number 6, did I get you right? In a conversation, when you misunderstand something or you wasn't listening, you can just say, did I get you right? For example, sorry, you can't come with us. Did I get you right? What I have missed? Fill me in. This phrase is used to ask for information that you has missed, whether it's due to absence, forgetfulness, or wanting to ensure nothing important has been overlooked. For example, can you fill me in on what I missed during the meeting? Number 8, oh, that explains it. This phrase typically used when someone didn't understand something until an explanation was provided. Someone figures out a mystery or puzzle. Someone notices a detail or connection they hadn't seen before. For example, I'm sorry, I'm late. My car broke down on the way here. Oh, that explains it. No problem. I don't understand why she is so upset. She just found out that her favorite band canceled their concert. Oh, that explains it. Number 9, there is so much to say, but I can't go into it now. When you know a mystery and you don't want to talk about it, or when other person is there and you don't want he or she figure out what happened or hear your speech. Number 10, I'd love to carry this on at another time. When you don't want to talk about something at this time and you say, speak at another time. Or you say, we should discuss this over lunch, we should talk over dinner, or we should chat over coffee. That's good one. When you are agree to somebody's talk and like that, you say, that's good one. I freaked out. When you don't understand what somebody's talking or you don't know the words or confused, you can say, I freaked out. You're driving me nuts. You're driving me crazy. This phrase is used to express an extreme frustration or anger, a tiredness with repetitive behavior, a warning to change somebody's behavior. I can't believe you forgot my birthday again. You are driving me nuts. I screwed up. I screwed up in English means I made a mistake or I messed up. This phrase is commonly used when someone has done something wrong and feels shame and sadness. For example, I'm sorry about the report. I screwed up the calculation. I screwed up by not telling you the truth. Can you cover me? This phrase has different uses. In general conversation, when you need help from your friend, your colleague, in work and school, you can use it. For example, can you cover me not to do mistake when I'm presenting the report? It's very kind of you. Yes, it's very kind of you. Instead of saying thank you very much, thanks a lot, you can just say it's very kind of you. Fingers crossed. We use the phrase fingers crossed when we want to wish someone good luck or hope that something will be successful. Luck you. Good for you. We use the phrase good for you for 3 uses. Expressing happiness or congratulating someone on their achievements. I heard you got a job promotion. Good for you. Encourage someone to continue doing something. You're making great progress with your language learning. Good for you. Keep going. Approving of someone's opinion or action. I think it's a great idea to volunteer at the animal shelter. Good for you. I'll join you. Great job! That was the most common daily English phrases that all of you must know and use in your daily conversations. Don't miss the next video by subscribing the channel and give a like to this lesson. The next part of important daily phrases is on the way. Thank you for your watching.